Hello, welcome to TechTube. So in this video we will learn how to install Node.js on your Windows operating system, including Windows 10 or 11, whatever you are using. So let's start. Go to the browser and here search for Node.js and go with the first link, which is the official website. And now I click on this download Node.js LTS button and the download is started here. So click on this or go to the file manager. So this is the setup wizard and now it is setting up and everything. Click on the next button, accept these terms and conditions, click on next. Now here you can change the path wherever you want to install, and this is by default setting up C program files and the Node.js. So click on the next button if you don't want to. Again click on the next. Here check this automatically install the necessary tools and click on the next, and now click on the install button. In my case I have already installed it on my system, so that's why I am not going to again installing it. So you need to click on this install button to successfully install the Node.js. So after installing Node.js, open the command prompt and to check the Node.js version that is successfully installed or not, so type here node -b. So this is the current version, and to check the program is running or not, simply type node, and here you can run any command to check that node is working or not. So here I am going to write a simple code, console.log and here type hello Node.js and hit the enter button, and see, you can see the output hello Node.js is showing up to you. So this is showing that the Node.js is successfully installed. So also you can create a new file, for example test.js, and you can run on the local server. So these are the simple steps that you have to follow to download and install Node.js on your system. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see in the next video with the new topic.